When we were designing the Woodsbine Cookery School, one of the key aspects we were looking for was, because we were cooking commercially, so we're training professional chefs here, but we're also training the domestic market. What was important for us is the robustness of the kitchen. But really, to caveat that is, we didn't want the kitchen to look too professional, too commercial, because it would put off the domestic market. So it was really a fine balance with the appliance choice, but more importantly, the tops, because it's very tactile. I think a worktop, it's what you're working on all day, it's what we make our bread on, so we don't use any boards or any other materials. We make all our bread on here throughout the day, so it needs to feel nice as well. It also needs to look nice. But I think from the professional point of view, the commercial market, can you imagine 10 chefs in here, they're working quite hard, they're perhaps used to stainless steel, something that's a little bit more robust, and the choice of worktop was important to withstand that. But also it was important to look good as well and feel good. And I think Dekton just suits the mark. Aesthetically it looks very pleasing. It's throughout the whole cookery school, the dem area, plus the work preparation area. It's up on the splashback. It just really punctuates a very beautiful but simple design here in the cookery school. And one of the key comments, not just from the professional market, but from the domestic market, is they can't believe how thin this top is. And I think that's what gives this top the advantage. Because it's thin, it doesn't look strong enough, but it's super, super strong. You can put drop pans on here, you can put hot pans on here. It works beautifully for me.